Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a report from United Guardian, and let me tell you, it is not exactly a thrill ride. Think of watching paint dry but with numbers. We're going to try to make sense of what they are up to, if they are doing well, and what it all means for you. First off, this is a Form 8K report, which is basically a snapshot of important events that a company needs to tell the SEC about. This report is dated March 21, 2025. The main point of this report is about their financial results. On that date, March 21, 2025, United Guardian put out a press release about how they did. Luckily, the report links to it so we can analyze it. The report attaches the actual press release about their earnings. This is where we can actually see what's happening with their money and business. Let's dive into what this press release might tell us about United Guardian's situation. Okay, so digging into United Guardian, they're a company that creates and sells personal care and healthcare products. I know you have never heard about them. They're not exactly a household name like Coca-Cola, but they have been around for quite some time. Looking at this filing, there isn't a whole lot of detailed financial data right here, so we have to consider some things to understand their situation. It would be nice to have the financial tables to tell a story of profit and loss. Without the numbers, it's tough to give a really deep dive. However, let's think about what might be going on behind the scenes. In the world of personal care and healthcare, there is a lot of competition. Big names like Procter & Gamble and Johnson & Johnson are always battling it out. Smaller companies like United Guardian have to find ways to stand out, which might be through unique products or focusing on niche markets. Because we can't see the financial details in this filing, we might have to speculate based on what we know about the industry. If they are doing well, it might be because they have found a special product or market that others aren't focusing on. If they are struggling, it could be due to the competition or changes in what customers want. Now, what does all this mean for you? If you're an investor, you would want to see those financial numbers to decide if the company is worth your money. If you're a customer, you might be interested in whether they will keep making new and interesting products. United Guardian is navigating a complex and competitive market. They will need to be smart and innovative to keep growing and staying ahead. Without the financial numbers in this filing though, it's hard to say for sure how well they are doing. So in summary, this 8K report tells us that United Guardian released some information about their results. It's a bit like getting a movie trailer without seeing the movie. We get a hint of what's going on, but we need more information to really understand the full picture. Now for my thoughts on United Guardian. Remember that without access to actual financial data, this is mostly based on general trends and industry knowledge. From the outside, it appears that United Guardian has both strengths and weaknesses. Their long history in the personal care and healthcare sectors suggests they have some expertise and stability. They have been around for a while and they have got some idea of what they are doing. However, being a smaller player in a market dominated by giants means they likely face challenges in terms of marketing, distribution and pricing. One notable risk for United Guardian is their reliance on a few key products or customers. If they lose a big client or one of their main products becomes less popular, it could really hurt their business. On the other hand, there are opportunities for them to grow by developing new products or expanding into new markets. Looking ahead, United Guardian needs to focus on innovation and finding ways to stand out from the competition. They might consider partnering with other companies, investing in research and development, or focusing on a specific niche market where they can be a leader. In conclusion, United Guardian is a company with potential, but they face significant challenges. Without more detailed financial information, it's hard to say for sure how well they are doing, but based on what we know, they need to be strategic and innovative to succeed in the long run. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. What do you think of United Guardian's prospects? Let me know in the comments below.